All right, traders, we are reviewing, I'm sharing the analysis, technical analysis for a couple pairs of Forex. Now we're going to see NZD, USD, New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar. Let's go take a look. So, as you can see, last week, price stay. This is the line. Let me make it bigger so you can see. This is the last week for last week. Oh yeah, very good. You can see it. And price was give us a bullish candle for week 3. So as you can see right now, price. Let's see what price is doing. It was a high. Price did a lower low, and price come back to do a lower high. Price go down and make a lower low. Price go up, it's making a higher high, but it's not higher than the previous one because it's higher than this one. But price come down. This is what we call a false breakout. It's breakout. We was thinking it's gonna stop here to make a lower low. He didn't do that. Lower high. He didn't do that. Price go make a high, and then it goes down again. They make it the low that is lower than the previous low. We still in the downtrend. So last week, you can see the week before, price stopped right here. It gave us almost like an inverted hammer, thinking that price will continue to go down. What did price do? Price opened, and last week what happened? Price continued to go up until it hit some daily resistance right here. So this is why the market, you can't, there is other news that affect the market. That's why as traders we learn all we can, so that way when we take a trade, we don't go and do any trade. We do the analysis. Remember, those are analysis. The market will do what it does. Don't look at the analysis to see, oh, that's exactly what the market gonna do. We don't know that. Nobody knows that. Even when you hear people on TV said this gonna happen, this gonna happen, what happened? The market does the opposite. People are in the market. Okay. So weekly, we can see we're still in the downtrend. That's what we want to confirm. They're still in the downtrend, even though we have a bullish candlestick last week. It might be just a retrace. Price might retrace here, or it might retrace here, it might retrace up to here. Because remember, the last high was right here. So as long as price doesn't break that high, we're still in a downtrend. Let's go down to the daily time frame to see what happened here. So daily time frame, let's close this. Let's close these guys. Oops. Let's close these to see daily time frame. Right? You can see in the daily time frame, you can see price been consolidating. Okay, it did the down, right? It did what? It was going up, 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 and the interim price looked like, if you let's pull it in, you can see what price was doing. It was doing low, lower low, high, high, lower high, lower low, high, and then it come back to the lower low. We still on the downtrend. So downtrend is confirmed even in the daily time frame. As you can see, look at the EMA 50, 100, 200. So they are lined up for price to continue to go down. So as you can see, price did this. It's been consolidating here, 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 here. All right, price is just consolidating. Okay, can it go down and do this? I don't know. Price might stay in that area for a while. Okay, this area right here, price can stay here in that area for a while. Okay, so we'll watch. Okay, we're going to watch to see what's gonna happen. But this is a 200 pip. But you see that price is in downtrend. If I'm taking trade, I'm gonna trick sell. Every time it hits somewhere around here, if it's come back here, I'm just gonna sell it right here to go down. All right. So that's the daily time frame. We can't buy in the daily time frame. Some people can, because if you're a long-term trader, you can buy in the daily time frame. But let's go down to the 4-hour time frame so we can see what we see. This is the 4-hour time frame. What's happening? Let's close it bring it down. You can see now you got a better picture. You see the same thing we were saying. Let's close this. Let's remove this. We can see price is going down and it's been retracing, but it's still doing the lower lows, right? It goes up, it goes down, up, down, up. It's consolidating. It's going sideways, and here. But if you are a trader, you can still make some trade. This is a 4 hour time frame. Let's blow it up a little bit. This is what it's doing. If price is doing this, this is a 4 hour time frame. We can see this is what price is doing. Can you make money? Of course you can. All right. So price is in the downtrend. So if I'm in here, I want to buy. No, not I want to sell. Okay. You can see price break this. It come down. It create another support and resistance right here. It's come back to test this, come back here because it makes some here. You cannot take all this trade to here. Short trade, right? If you become a scalper, okay? So this is last week, okay? Last week, and then you can see last week what happened. This is price continue to go up. It made a daily. It's stopping the daily resistance right here. Come down all the way to here. Price right now, you can see price is rejected here. Price come back and rejected again. And you can see price close under that EMB right here. So what might happen for next week in the 4 hour time frame? Price most likely, if it's gonna continue to go down, remember we're in a downtrend. Okay? Price might go down here. If it's gonna continue, let's say it's gonna continue to go down in the 4 hour time frame. Price might go down the 4 hour time frame, come back here because it didn't break it this time here. It's come back, it's break it this time. It's gonna come back and test it. Now it is gonna have a tested 4 hour time frame here. If it's come back here, I'm buying because we have been tested for a while. I'm buying here for a short term right here. And if it hit here, I'm gonna take profit and buy to continue down over here. You see that? To continue. He might stay here for a while or he might break it, come back to test it before go down and do this way. See, that's because it's in a downtrend. Can it does that? Of course it can. Can it does the opposite? Of course it can. It can come back, test this one to continue to go again for a third time. See, he might do that again. Come back this time around. And then test this before he break it for a lower. Can he does that? Yes, it can. You see that? That's what we might expect it as well. So you can take 1 hour time frame. You can see it's telling us almost the same thing. Okay, it's goes here, test it. If you here in the lower time frame, that's a big confirmation. See how you see the hammer right here? It just touch it and go up. See, it gives you a good confirmation price might continue to go up, but it does the same thing here. So you still waiting here. Say, wow, man, look at that. And then price goes up and close over here. That's why you need to see what's going on in the market so you know what to do. You know the weekly, daily, you confirm what's going on there. Now price is consolidating in the lower time frame. Now you can take buy, you can take sell. So this is the analysis for NZDJPY. Let's watch see what happened to these pairs next week. Remember, go to www.eta25pip.com. They have a great program. They can help you to do exactly what I'm doing right now. I'm sharing with you, but you can learn to do it yourself. That's not a problem.